Healthy breakfast ideas. A lot of studies and research has shown that kids who eat breakfast perform better in school and have a healthier diet. Eating breakfast will help promote the proper growth and maximize school performance as well. Breakfast is oftentimes a victim of the morning time crunch. Even though you may be tempted to skip breakfast, you can simplify your morning routine by following these 8 tips. 1. Finish homework and pack school bags at night. 2. Decide on what your children will wear to school before you go to bed and locate lost shoes for the following day. 3. In the morning, get up 15 minutes earlier. 4. Give up computer games and morning television. 5. Have healthy foods on hand. You should also shop for breakfast foods with your kids and take into account their personal preferences. 6. Set the cereal out the night before. For younger children, fill a zippered plastic bag with her portion, then add the milk in the morning. 7. Allow your children to use the microwave often, as most breakfast foods can be prepared in under 5 minutes. 8. Allow your kids to eat in the car or on the way to school. There are several foods that you can eat for breakfast, even leftovers from supper if they are sufficient. You can eat bagels, pizza with fruit juice, pretzels, or the normal bacon and eggs that breakfast is known for. Most foods are a snap to prepare and won't take you but a few minutes. The next time you are in a hurry in the morning, remember that you are probably about to skip the most important meal of the day. If you follow the tips above, you'll find that you have plenty of time for breakfast. Thank you for watching.